Hello, dear. It's so good to see you. Come, sit down. We have so much to catch up on. You're doing a wonderful job.
Thanks, Grandma. Look.
Perfect. Now for the filling. Pinch it tighter, dear.
Like this?
Yes, that's it. Perfect.
I think I've got it. That smells delicious. Just a little longer now.
How is it, dear?
It's delicious, Grandma.
I'm so glad.
Thank you.
Have some more.
These are so good, Grandma.
I'm glad you like them, dear.
Almost done with this one.
You're doing great, dear.
Thanks, Grandma.
It's nice doing this together.
Grandma, it's really coming down out there.
It is. Come, have some soup.
Thanks, Grandma.
Grandma, listen to this part.
Of course, dear, I'm listening.
It's about us.